Here we go. We got about a minute 30 till the market opens. All right, market's about to open. Let's see what we do. There we go. Market is open. Let's see what we got. Currently, I'm looking at the NASDAQ right now. pretty slow right now. Just kind of waiting for this to come back down. I kind of want to go short right here, but I'm gonna be patient with it because this might actually just want to rally up, but we'll see right now. I do wanted to test this level down here, which if you look on the 5-minute chart, just short periods, it hit it here once, kind of got some support there, support here, support there. I mean some resistance there, resistance here, some support. So it's a pretty good level for it to bounce off of. Now if this wants to jump back up, we might see it jump back up to like 510, like this area right here. Probably like, yeah, at the top of this range right here. So from here maybe go a little short at the 510 area if it doesn't want to break down right away. It's getting stuck though. We just wait. Gotta be patient with it. Gotta be patient with it. Alright, this might be it right here. This might be the move we've been waiting for. Let's see what it does. It's trying to get a little bit of support there. Getting some support, which is nice to see though. Wow, that got slammed pretty hard. I might go short here. Just one contract maybe. It's not, they're just not letting this go up. I'm just gonna go in short there. Just one contract. See what we could do with that, just because all these wicks just keeps getting slammed, dude. There's so many sellers there. I'm still looking for it to hit that lower range that I've put. We'll see if it wants to get down there. I might want to sell another one if this pops up again. I'll go short there one more. It looks like it wants to have a pop, but at the same time, it's just not looking pretty on the bull side either. We'll see right now. Currently in at 92. It's gonna have a nice pop there. It's fine. As long as it doesn't break this, you know, this high right here, we'll be all right. You see, each time it kind of pushes up, it just keeps getting slammed back down, you know. Our new goal would be to get down below this area right here, which is at 81. If you could get below that, we'll start looking pretty nice here. It's gonna take a minute for the smooth to set up though, so we're gonna just let it chill, do its thing. Remember, we just need to get below that 81 and it's gonna start looking pretty ugly. And we might make a range, a move down. There you go. So we might make a move all the way down to this area right here of the 55, 54 area. I'm gonna put my buy orders on the 60 area, just in case it wants to butter back down there. Put one there at 64, and I'll put another one at like 59. Where's it at? No, got bought right back up. They're just fighting for it here. Doesn't know which way it wants to go. They're fighting pretty hard to keep it up there. These wicks are really ugly on both sides. So you can see very undecisive. Look at these. Look how big these candles are. And these wicks, they're just fighting back and forth. Okay, it's gonna start making it probably a new high here. Might look to get out. See, it just got shot down again. See, at this point, I might start to look to get out pretty soon just because very undecisive, keeps getting bought back up. But if this candle starts to break below that 74, then I'll stay in. But look at that, it just doesn't want to make a new low for the day. It's just staying up there. Come on, you know you want to break down there. Let's go. This might be the move right here. Can we get a little flush down? Alright, here it goes. It might be it. Got bought right up. Come on. You know you want to just go all the way down into the 50s. This move, man. Now, I was up about 70 at one point down here, $70, $80, but it's just the moves are just not clear. And they're just not nice. Like, they're just, look at this. It'll make one big red candle. This candle moved, you know, almost 30 points. And then the next candle will jump back up, you know. We're up 20 points on this candle. We need this one to get pushed back down and kind of leave a big wick. So we kind of just see that it's going to get rejected like that. I'm not a fan of this movement here. So if this starts to push a little lower, I'm going to just get out. I'm not going to wait for it to go all the way down to the 50 area. Looks like it doesn't want to though. Come on, let's get down to the 70s again. I got out there. Just movement was not nice. I could have gotten out at the bottom for 70 something, but again, just not looking nice. Really wanted it to hit the bottom of that range. We had a little bit to go. Got a little greedy with it. We didn't want to let it go, and we had to pay for it. Now that it's kind of catching some support here, not gonna lie, we might look to start going long here. We'll just kind of have to wait a few more minutes, just because if I buy here and it starts pushing down here again, I'm gonna end up getting out when it's gonna just bounce. So I'm kind of just gonna wait to see if it wants to start breaking above these highs. Might push to these SMAs up here. We'll see. Damn, there it goes. Back down to where we wanted it. We'll go long if it starts hitting that 50, 60 area. I don't know if it could do it though. It's quite a bit of buyers. So at the moment, it looks like the Dow is making a new high already. S&P, still range bound from where it opened. Yeah, Nasdaq is just range bound right now. Let's go look at some stocks. Disney looking pretty nice. Boeing looking solid too. Boeing can start pushing up before it be above here. That'd be nice for new highs. Okay, Nasdaq, look, finally making that low that we were waiting for. It took forever though. So we might start to butter down a little bit. I'm just not gonna get in just because I'm an original buy. I was gonna get in here, but it just took too long to make that move. That at this point I'm just not interested in that at all. That looks pretty good. Maybe around this area, in the middle of this, like, let's see. Something around there. Starts to butter down there to the 30s. Definitely get in. But as of now, I am good. Let's see what it wants to do. This thing might just push back up to the 70 area then sell off. We shall see right now. Just not looking too pretty. Taking way too long to make these moves. Dow is hitting a new high, 36,703. Nasdaq kind of stuck in this range down here. S&P still looking good. This is Dow right here, looking good. Yep, it's a monster. Nasdaq. If it probably pushes up to like that 72 to like 80 area, you could go short there. Could see like a little 20-point reversal at least, but I personally am gonna wait till it starts hitting these low of 28 area, 30 area. Probably start buying in slowly, and if it keeps selling off, I'll buy all the way down to like 13. We'll see what it wants to do. It might not sell off just because the rest of the markets are going up. You got Dow is still pushing up. S&P is kind of just stuck, you know, not really moving too much since it opened. We'll see right now. Oh, it's taking forever. Just choppy. What the fuck was that? What is going on? My charting. There you go. Alright. Okay, here we go. Nasdaq's pushing down a little bit. Would be nice if it butters down to about 30 area, the $30 area. It's about 46 right now. I got some buy orders at 28. I got another buy order at 21. I might move one up just a little bit to maybe like the 30, 33 area or so. Just because today the movements are very slow. It's selling off, but it just sells off so slow and then gets bought right back up. So probably won't butter that down. Come on, Nasdaq. What are you gonna do for me today? Yo, chat. Yo, chat. What a choppy day today. All right, Nasdaq looking like it wants to make a move back down. Keeps doing this. Nasdaq just keeps getting caught in this range. I wanted to make one last leg down to this 28 area, 30 area, and then we'll look good. Definitely hop in on that. All right, there, it's finally making that move. Can we push it all the way down though? Come on, come on. Here we go. Come on, you know you want to just kind of make that little butter down. It wants to so bad. But it just keeps getting stuck. It just keeps getting stuck. Come on. This is it right here. I just need what, like 7 more points from there? Come on, let's hear that beautiful noise when it gets executed. There you go. First contract I'm in. Will it fill me in on one more? It just might. Here we go. Come on. One more push down. A little bit. Right there. Okay. And then I'm looking to get filled maybe one more time at that 14 area. We'll see if it pushes down there. Yep, I got in. All right, so now I'm down a little bit, but it's all right. This is the move I've been waiting for this whole day. I'm gonna buy one more there at the bottom. Let's see if it gets a nice little bounce here. I'm in at 19, so not the best, but it's gonna be solid. Now we will just see if it pushes up back up. It would be nice to get probably about that 30 range again, up in that 30s. We'll see. It is a little oversold if you look at that 5-minute chart. Let's see if it holds this area. It might push down a little bit more. It might not. If it does, I'll probably buy another 2 more contracts. It pushed down briefly and then pushed back up, so we'll see if it pushes again. We'll be watching it. We'll see. Does it want to make that move down, or let's keep watching. Currently in with 4 contracts long at an average of 19. So what I'm expecting here, what I'm waiting for, is for this to kind of just bounce back into that 30 range. Like right here. Not much. But we will see right now. Probably what will happen is probably going to sell off a little bit more. Kind of catch a little support here and then start making a move back up to that 40 area. Might even push all the way to that 50, but that's going to take a little minute, especially the way it's been moving today. It's been moving so slow. For example, right now it's kind of getting stuck. It looks like it might make another leg down. Let's see. I'm going to set a little alert here above 29 because I'm not fully paying attention to it. And I will start setting some sell orders. There he goes, finally making a new high. Looking good. Start setting some sell orders. Sorry, not sell orders. Sorry, I put sell orders. I meant to buy. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. Okay, not looking good. Sellers are still there. There's still a lot of sellers here, even down at this range. I'll look to start getting out in this 2030s, the 2930 area. It's only about a 10-point gain if it does hit. Looks like it might make another leg down now. Let's see the 5-minute chart, how we're looking. Where else can we get some support on this? Next support might be way down here at that 84 area. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 red 5-minute candles. MACD looks pretty oversold. RSI as well. We'll see if that helps at all. I'm gonna throw up some NASDAQ stocks here to see what we're looking at. Currently watching Microsoft and NASDAQ on my, Apple on my other two charts. See how those move, just because those have pretty heavy weight on NASDAQ itself. We'll see if those start to push. Microsoft selling off, Apple selling off, so we might see another push down with NASDAQ. If Microsoft could get back up above that 34, then Apple about that 82.30. We'll see. It's kind of been doing this all day, where it just kind of sells off and then catches support at a certain area, and then as you can see here, it sold off in this area, caught support for quite a while. We were range bound and then sold off finally, caught support, sold off. So it's kind of doing the same thing here. If this doesn't start to break soon, probably gonna do another leg down, one final leg down. We already have, this can be the first one, second one, the third one. So we'll see if this third one can hold. Microsoft making a leg down, Apple kind of holding up there. Apple's trying to push up there. Microsoft's just not helping it. Amazon too, it's at the lows. Not looking good. Facebook at the kind of at the lows. Looks like it might want to push up too. We will see. Will this be it? Come on, this candle needs to start breaking above that 22. Microsoft, Apple making a move up, looking good. Looks like this is gonna be the next leg down for Nasdaq. Yep. Probably that 85 area, maybe. I'll get in for maybe another 4 more contracts if it starts pushing a little lower. Nasdaq is just grinding out, slowly working its way down today. We're only down about 0.4, about almost 0.5%, which is surprising. Look, it feels like it's been selling off since open, but not much movement, just very slow. Alright, here's another leg down for Nasdaq. It's been really hard for Nasdaq to catch some support so far. Dow is, let's see what's Dow doing. Okay, I'm in for one more contract at, let's see. Damn, Nasdaq's still almost at the highs, and we got Nasdaq just selling off. It's a lot of selling pressure. If you look at this, just constantly selling off. So now I'm in with 7 contracts. My average is 404. Probably do one more at 8. If it does one push down. Looks like it's about to do it. It wants to. Looks like we're gonna be stuck here for a minute, just kind of watching Nasdaq, see what it wants to do. It's kind of being a little stubborn. It's a lot of selling pressure today on it. We got Apple, Airbnb, Adobe, AMD, Amazon, all red. Almost all of the big names are red. Facebook's red. Facebook's barely red though. I might want to turn green here. So we got, this is going to be the, since open, kind of sold off at open. I'm not going to count this one though, but I'm going to count 1 right here, 2, 3 sell-offs. So we'll see if this one holds, and if it starts kind of just rallying up, grinding back up to this $30 range. But look, each time it kind of just tries to push up. So much selling pressure. I wonder, it's gonna get tired out in a bit. As you can see in the 5-minute chart, just straight down, nothing but red candles. Kind of had a little green candle here, but next candle just killed it. So it kind of does these movements where it just it'll have, you know, 1, 2 candles, and then it kind of just sells off, stays in this range. It's probably gonna see that right now, stay in this range. Sucks. Damn, looks like it's gonna make another one right here, another run. Oh, NASDAQ, why do you do this to me? See how it looks on the 1 hour. 2 big red candles, 1 hour. It's hitting that 200-day SMA. Last time I hit it, kind of bounced off pretty good. Starts forming a wick here. We'll see if it does it with this one too. It's already way past it, like it did here though. It kind of went past it, but it started bouncing off of that. I'll buy 2 more there. My last one might be right here. Begin with 10 contracts. Down about almost 30. There you go, 30 points total. But it just keeps selling off.